In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Freshdesk, a powerful cloud-based ticketing system designed to streamline customer support across your organization. Freshdesk is an all-in-one help desk platform that efficiently centralizes customer inquiries from various channels such as email, phone, chat, and social media into a single ticketing system. This platform is especially beneficial because it empowers teams with features like automation, collaboration tools, self-service portals, AI integration, and analytics, all wrapped up in a user-friendly interface. To kick off your journey with Freshdesk, you'll first need to handle the initial setup if you are an administrator. Start by configuring your primary support email. This is essential because it ensures that all incoming customer messages are automatically converted into tickets, thus keeping everything organized and manageable. Next, focus on building your support team. Invite your team members as agents and organize them into groups. This step is crucial for streamlined ticket handling, allowing for efficient management and ensuring that tickets are assigned to the right specialists. Once your team is set up, it's time to leverage automation to your advantage. Freshdesk offers a feature known as the dispatcher that allows you to automate crucial processes like ticket assignment, categorization, or even auto-responses. By setting up these automation rules, you significantly reduce the manual effort involved, freeing up your team to focus on more complex customer issues. Now let's explore some key components of Freshdesk for everyday use, beginning with ticket management. All new tickets arrive from your various customer interaction points and appear in the Tickets tab. This is your command center. From here, you can view ticket details, respond to customer queries, assign tickets to agents, or set ticket statuses such as open, pending, or resolved. An essential feature for ensuring smooth internal communication is the ability for agents to use private notes. This allows for discussion among team members without exposing internal details to the customer, maintaining professionalism and confidentiality. Enhancing collaboration further, Freshdesk enables you to use @mentions to tag teammates and collaborate on complex issues, ensuring that no ticket goes unresolved due to internal communication gaps. For those aiming to reduce the flood of incoming support requests, Freshdesk offers an effective self-service and knowledge-based component. With it, you can build a branded self-service portal complete with FAQs and informative articles, encouraging customers to find solutions on their own. Freshdesk supports multiple channels by integrating seamlessly with email, chat using FreshChat, phone through FreshCaller, social media, and even embedded website forms. Every interaction from these channels is automatically converted into a ticket, maintaining a consistent and organized support workflow. Lastly, take advantage of Freshdesk's robust dashboard and analytics. Here, you can quickly view snapshots of ticket volumes, response times, agent performance, and customer satisfaction. For deeper insights, utilize the customizable reporting tools to refine your support services even further. With these steps and features, Freshdesk becomes an indispensable tool in managing and optimizing your customer support operations.